Alright guys, welcome to 4.6 Savage. Here today I have a how-to tutorial on how to replace cluster light bulbs. Now this is for your backlight, your illumination for your gauges. So when you turn your lights on, how these will illuminate. Now, when you do it, they turn green. Well, I got tired of the green, so I want it blue. So I went and I bought these for like $1 on eBay. These are 4 LEDs and they're blue LEDs. Now, we all remember how to remove the cluster from the how-to video on doing the tack, but just to refresh you, your cowl panel that covers this, the trim piece that covers this, will be put in by 2 screws. And they are, I do believe they're like 15T Torx bits, and you just take those out, and then you'll take the Torx bits out of these, or Phillips, whichever you have in your things, and then you will unplug your harnesses, which are here and here, from behind, and then you will remove the cluster. Now from there, you go about removing the bulbs. Now, I've already done this one, but to do this one, we're going to take the pliers and turn it until it pops out. See, that's just a regular bulb. Now, take this, have this here, got this, and you just pull it out of the socket. See? Out of the socket. Now you put some dielectric grease in the connector, and then you grab another one of your LEDs, and then right into the socket again. Make sure it connects all the way, because you don't want to be redoing this. Make sure you push down, and it's the same process. Goes there, and then you twist back into position. And then you do it with all the others. Now, for whatever reason, it does not want to turn without pliers when you initially take it off. Now, I've had these out before because I thought they were bad. So you do the same thing over until you have all the black bulbs covered. After that, you're good, and you shouldn't have any left to do. Now, I'd save your bulbs because you can use them in other parts of the vehicle. I do believe, like, not your tail lights, but your fog lights and stuff use them. The trunk light uses it, I do believe. Your backup lights use them. But aside from that, that's all I have for this video, and that's how you replace the cluster light bulbs. Have fun, and remember, be savage.